Assalamu alaikum. So today we will discuss the thoracic aorta, which is a part of aorta, the main artery which is carries the blood from the heart to the whole body. It is a third part of aorta. First part we have discussed in a separate video, the ascending aorta, then arch of aorta, and now we are discussing the thoracic aorta. So thoracic aorta, it extends from the level of T5 vertebra to T12 vertebra, and it becomes the abdominal aorta and it's passed through the aortic hiatus in diaphragm. So now we will discuss the branches of thoracic aorta. The branches of thoracic aorta are actually divided into three main types. Okay, the first type is the paired visceral branches. Paired visceral. The second one is unpaired visceral. And the third one is parietal branches. Now we will discuss these branches one by one. So the paired visceral branch includes the two left bronchial branches. As they name it bronchial, so they will supply the lungs. लेफ्ट लंग को सप्लाई करी. Left lung को supply. Okay. Now we will discuss the unpaired visceral branches. So these are three. The first one is pericardial, the mediastinal, and the esophageal. Okay, so as the names indicating that pericardial, it will supply the posterior surface of pericardium. Surface of pericardium, which is a sac surrounding the heart. Mediastinal, so it will supply the posterior mediastinum. And the esophageal, so it will supply the esophagus. So now we will discuss the parietal branches. So these parietal branches includes the parietal branches. So this will include the 9 posterior intercostal branches, which will supply the 3 to 11th intercostal space. Okay, and the subcostal artery, which will supply the subcostal space below 12th rib, which is below the 12th rib, and superior phrenic, which will supply diaphragm. So these are the branches, the paired visceral, the unpaired visceral, and the parietal branches, and to which parts they are supplying. Okay, so now we will discuss the thoracic aorta in the form of a diagram. We will draw it. So as we have discussed till this point, this was the ascending aorta, this was arch of aorta, and this will be descending aorta. Okay, so now we will discuss the branches of this descending aorta. First of all, it gives 9 these 9 intercostal branches. We will draw them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 intercostal branches to the intercostal spaces, and then it is giving the subcostal. This will be here. This is subcostal, okay, and these were 9 intercostal branches, okay. Subcostal branch. Then here it will give the 2 bronchial branches to the left lung, okay. These were to left lung. Then it will give 1 mediastinal branch, which was supplying the posterior mediastinum. Then it gave an esophageal branch, which is supplying the esophagus. Then it will give the pericardial branch, which will supply the posterior surface of the pericardium. And here it will give the superior phrenic branch, which will supply this diaphragm. This is actually diaphragm, and this is the aortic hiatus. Through which this thoracic descending aorta will pass, and then it will become the abdominal aorta. So these are the branches, and this is the diagrammatic form. And here you must remember the level, that it was starting from the T5 vertebra till it will end at T12, this level, okay. This is the level of thoracic aorta. It was originating at the level of T5 vertebra and ending here at the level of T12 vertebra. Thank you.